Good evening. Welcome to Kalyan IAS. Let's look into the current affairs now. Look at the first one. The first one is here. Recently, who among the following was conferred with? Who among the following was conferred with Princess of Astros Award? Princess of Astros Award. Who was conferred with this? Is it Mr. Narendra Modi or Amartya Kumar Sen, Rajiv Kumar or Pratibha Kumari? Kindly make a note. The correct answer is option B, that is Amartya Kumar Sen. This is considered to be Spain's top award and it has been conferred to India's great economist, one of the greatest economists in India. And everybody knows about this great personality, Nobel laureate. And he was conferred with this particular award. And it has been given to him in social sciences category. Next one, another important one. Sanxindu ruins site is sometimes seen in news. Where is it located? China, North Korea, South Korea or Bhutan? Correct answer is option A, that is China. Kindly see here, when you look at the world civilizations, maybe Indian civilization, Chinese civilization, like civilizations, when you look at, each civilization has got its own greatness. And this particular site is one of the significant and that highlights the Chinese civilization. Right, this is a sacrificial pit and it was recently discovered at Sanxindu ruins site in China. And this is highlighting the greatness of Chinese civilization. Next one, another important one, as I told you in the earlier classes, questions are coming up from even this biological diversity. Right, questions are coming up from environment, disaster management, right? So you need to follow all these topics very carefully. Now the question is, every year International Day for Biological Diversity is observed on December 17th, May 22nd, June 5th or August 12th. Important one, very important one. Option B, that is May 22nd, is the correct answer. Right, and this particular day is marked by the United Nations. Another important one, have a look at this. National Steel Policy of 2017 aims to increase nation's steel production to 300 million tons by the year. Kindly remember, we have so many national policies. Each national policy will have an objective. Accordingly, the road map will be created and we try to achieve that objective. And now on the screen, this is regarding National Steel Policy of 2017. Right? So from the current production, we are aiming to increase the production to 300 million tons by the year. Very important one. Option D is the correct answer, that is 2030. Please remember this. Right? So now, one more thing, have a look at this. You might have heard about this one now. This is the TrueNAT test. This is used to diagnose. Now, in fact, this is also being used for, this COVID-19. But otherwise, so this is used to diagnose typhoid, malaria, TB or HIV. And the correct answer is option C, that is TB. Right? So these are the points for today. I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs. Thank you so much. Take very good care.